Hi. In this video, you'll learn how to efficiently manage your expenses in Lexzur. First, to create a new expense, click Create from the main menu and select Expenses. There are 5 mandatory fields. Expense category, choose from predefined categories such as court fees, external lawyer fees, office supplies, and more. Payment method, determines the type of accounts available. Select whether the payment is made online, via credit card, or through a cash account. Payment account, specify the account used for the transaction. Amount, enter the total expense amount. Payment date, indicate when the expense was incurred. You can also attach supporting documents for reference. Expenses can be linked to matters, tasks, and hearings, and classified as either internal expenses or client-related expenses from the Expense Allocation tab. For client-related expenses, it's essential to indicate whether they are billable or non-billable. Once an expense is created, any matter-related expenses will automatically appear under the respective matter page. All expenses are then tracked within the billing module for easy monitoring. Accountants have full control over the expense approval process, with the ability to review, approve, or cancel any expense. Once an expense is approved, it becomes eligible for invoicing. To streamline financial management, the expense grid allows users to quickly search for expenses using advanced filters based on specific criteria. Additionally, expense lists can be exported to Excel for reporting purposes, providing flexibility in financial analysis and tracking. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.